Welcome. We're back. All right, good morning, everybody. I'm just starting off Quant Tower and everything. A little bit overslept, but we're here. So, what's happening, everybody? What is happening, everybody? All right. Sharpnell, good morning. Welcome. Yono, good to see you. I wasn't sure if I'm gonna stream today, so anyway, we're here. And yesterday I wasn't trading at all, so I didn't. Unfortunately, I did not get the drop or any piece of the drop in the New York AM session, but it seems like in the New York kill zone, price has dropped like, well, almost 400 points to the downside. So that was interesting. Secrets of the unknown. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Are we connected now? Oh, yeah, we are. All right. All right, all right. So, how is everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's doing great. Why don't we start the day off, because nothing is really happening here, by requesting a payout from Apex. How about that? Hey Sam Ellis, welcome. Yeah, so let's request some payouts, okay? So I did not have too many payouts from Apex so far, but it's always good to start the day with that. As you can see, these 4 payouts I got with Apex, and these accounts are blown already. But according to the new rules, okay. So what I'm going to request here, because I have on one of these accounts, I have $3,622. So that means and I have to leave 2,100. I can request $1,522. How about that? Because I have to leave $2,100 threshold on the account. Holy Grail, good morning. So one payout request is going to be $1,522. Yeah, that's 1,500. So this one has 3,622. And as far as I've checked on the website, as far as I checked, I can withdraw up to $500 from the safety threshold. Now this is on the website. You don't have to leave it at, yeah, I don't have to leave it there because I already have my trading days. I think everything checks out. So or what do you mean by that? You don't have to leave it. It's only from November 6th, 5th that comes in place. Maybe I shouldn't do it right now. So what are the payout rules right now? Can I take can I take payout by the new rules or by the old rules, or the new rules are come in place in effect only on the 5th of November, so now I can withdraw everything? What the hell can I do? I have these 2 accounts I want to withdraw. I don't know. Anyway, maybe I should skip it for later. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Delta Zinga. Marco, good morning. I can request 2K. Really? Can I really request 2K? I have to confirm this. I can withdraw with the old rules. Are you sure? Guys, you have to, because on the website, I don't know when the new rules are taking place. Can I really withdraw by the old rules or what? It breaks? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna request it then or do anything. Hey Tamash, good morning. But according to the old rules, new rules next week. So I can still, so that means that I can request from these two accounts. So one account is up 3,244 and the other one is up 3,622. So that means because of the withdrawal cap, I can request overall $4,000. So 2,000 from this and 2,000 from this. I can do that actually. So $4,000 in payouts. I don't know what to do, man. I have no idea what to do. Mystery gift. What is that? Oh, you passed it. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Bob passed it. Congratulations, Bob. Awesome job, man. Awesome job. Let me give you an applause. That is super great. Sam Ellis, you would wait. I don't know what to do. Naomi, good morning. Hey, Naomi. Bob, congratulations. I don't know what to do, man. I don't want to mess it up. I thought that the new rules are effective immediately as they announced it. So by that calculation, I can request 1,522 from one account, and the other account I can request 1,144 from the other. But I'm not gonna do anything. I just got confused. Yeah, I don't know what to do, man. It's yours until it's on your bank account. Yeah, that's true. That's true. What are the new rules of Tradeify? I don't know the new rules of Tradeify and Take Profit Trader. And Take Profit Trader actually is just the usual. The new discounts. Oh, Take Profit Trader. I think they still have the no activation fee promo and the 40% off. So Take Profit Trader is still 40% off, and I have to check Apex on what they're doing, and the other ones. Apex, I think Apex just got back to 50%. I have to check on it. I haven't updated the banners and the links. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, everybody. So the banner is still a little bit outdated. Yeah, it's still active. The 80% off is still active with Apex. At least I know that. TickTick have directly funded account. They do? Nice. Passed another one. Nice. Tradeify discount. I haven't put out any Tradeify affiliate link yet. Check the new TickTick Trader direct accounts. I'm gonna check it. Are you going for 10,000 then retrace everything? Well, I do like the 20k level. So let's talk about trading because I have no idea how to submit this payout request. So I think I'm gonna ask for support maybe, but I'm not sure if they can answer me on time. Yeah, we do have. I do like the 20K because it didn't go down there, so I definitely like the 20K level. I like this one to go down to 20K. Payout, Apex, I'm looking for payout on these two accounts. So Marco is saying I can request still by the old rules, but I'm not sure about that. Based on their recent videos, the new rules are effective immediately, but according to the new rules, I can still request 1500 from this account, and I can request 1100 from this account. So I'm just not sure. I'm gonna look after it. What to do is take the money and run. Yeah, Naomi. But you know, if I get denied, then I don't know if I can request again or have to wait another 8 days. So that's why I don't want to mess it up. With Apex, you can never know with how the website is working. So I can just put into the queue for like the next couple of days, and I cannot request a payout for another 8 days or whatever. So I just want to make sure. Last payout from old rules was the last payout window. Since then you okay, so I'm sure that there are new rules now. I'm 99% sure that currently we have new rules. And the new rules are saying that I can request up to $500 from the safety threshold. Yesterday, I took a nice trade in my ProfiTrade funded account. Let's go. But the stop loss still active, and the what? And the buy one was in front of my PC. Oh no. Holy Grail, what you have to do if you trade with Quant Tower, and here's a small trick to that. For example, just a second. I might even take a small trade here. So, okay, so here's a small trade. I entered to 2 micro short, not a big deal. If you put your stop loss here, for example, this area, and my take profit would be down at, for example, whatever, down there. Now, obviously, what you have to do in Quant Tower is, let me show you the way you see it. So what you have to do is on the left here, I don't know if I can pull this to the right, but you see OCO. So order connect, basically. You have to connect it. And you have to connect this order, this limit order, to this limit order. Obviously, this is the only order that it can be connected to. If you have multiple orders, then you have to choose from the list which order you want it to connect it to. So if you connect it, boom, it's now connected. Now, if this trade goes to stop loss or whatever, the take profit limit order is going to delete itself automatically. So you always make sure that your limit orders are connected if you leave the computer, or if you're not sure, maybe like yesterday it happened to me, if you have a power outage or whatever, always make sure to connect your orders. Basically, that's it. Methodical man, missed you. I saw that. I saw that just this early morning. I saw that. But you guys should check my latest video I put out there, and you should watch it until the end. It's a little bit of a answer to Methodical Man. I don't have to shave my back. I'm saved because the price actually got there. Methodical Man actually sent me the screenshot that I'm saved. So, but I do have my own response hidden in an Easter egg in my latest video. Yeah. No problem. So make sure to connect the orders, and this way it's gonna delete itself. Anyway, I jumped into a short with 2 micros. Not a big deal. I would say I would like to see this go down to the 20k. It's a nice level, but the issue here is that we have relative equal highs as well on the upside. So I might have making the wrong thing here, the wrong decision. But 128, 132. This is, what is this? It's a PM session high, so that's significant. Maybe I shouldn't have just jumped in like this, but no problem. Yeah, it's gonna go up. It's a small position. It's like 70 bucks or 80 bucks. It's all right. And what else? I think I should close this trade. But anyway. And we have, this is technically like not Asia high, but it's a significant high. I can say that. We have sell side liquidity at 57. And we have the new day opening gap. Let me put this right down there. New day opening gap. Oh, I'm gonna get taken out. New day opening gap is from here and all the way to here. All right, so there's that. And what else do we have? It didn't go down there to sweep liquidity, but no problem. Absolutely no problem with that. Sorry. Excuse me. Do all trades you take during live sessions or at times when you're what? Sorry, I'm still slow. Do all trades you take during live sessions or at times when I'm not just taking trades on live streams, I'm taking trades off stream as well. So it's about the ratio is up about 50-50. So I used to take trades off stream as well. You know, if I see something, for example, in the New York PM session, which I don't stream, I jump in. That usually happens quite some time. So I see something, I jump in. So Trump on Joe Rogan was good. Oh yeah, I heard that he's gonna go to appear on Joe Rogan. Fresh Delgado, what's the next liquidity target? I have no idea. I took a short. But if I lose, Holy Grail is gonna pay me, so I'm not worried about this. This trade was a representation. It's all right. This is actually taken on a funded account. Oh, I'm out. But no problem. Don't worry about it. I actually wanted to short it. Just saying, I wanted to go short because I thought that this drop is going to continue lower, but it seems like we're going higher to 132. I was just chasing it a little bit. Small displacement here. I thought we're just going to go through the new day opening gap, but we didn't. No problem at all. But yeah, it seems like it wants to go for that. Go for some highs maybe. We don't know. Or maybe continue lower. Look at that. It took me out and now goes lower. This is how it is. So, what's happening? I think we need to wait for, yeah, most likely that's going to be the case. Most likely that's going to be the case, but I still believe that we have a good chance to go lower. But I agree. I agree. I'd like to see this one go to London lows. What levels do we have? Just a second. Yeah. I mean, below here we have the 20-ish. Not sure. Would be nice to see a drop. Hey, David Metal, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. You're his brother. All right. I won't get in to that buy. I think it's just better to wait this one out, you know. The 20K level is a nice round number. So I'm not saying that we're going to immediately drop down. As you see, we have some highs up there. 5 minute go, yeah. Thank you again for subscribing, David. I don't know if he's short or not, but I'm just gonna sit here and watch and see what's going on. I mean, it's not that far down, but whoa. JD's pair, thank you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Good to see new subscribers. Welcome, welcome. So yeah, I'm trying to figure this out, but no idea where this one wants to go. I think we're just stuck here for now, but there's some liquidity on the upside. You know, sweep everybody and then send it down. I'm looking at the 5 minute looks a little bit let's just say sketchy. I don't know. We do have the new day opening gap, and we have the 20K down there. Beautiful, nice level. I would say Asia low is Asia low. Technically, we could call this Asia low, right? Asia low down there at 17.75 if it would want to go there. But who knows? Who knows? You're in, yeah. Yeah, it's sideways. We're growing faster than PA. Yeah, I mean, I'm super happy. We just passed 3,000 not too long ago, and now we're already having, you know, extra almost extra 400 subs. That's awesome, guys. Super happy for that. Scar, hey there. And Yanix, welcome. After yesterday, elevator erupting, NQ has run out of pressure. Yeah, I think so too. Interesting though that the 20k left untouched, but you know, Asia tried to go for 20k, didn't go there. Now we're back in the middle basically on this price range, and there's nothing. I mean, I don't understand, but we have a 5-minute gap. I'm gonna put it there. There you go. 5-minute gap, 5-minute BC, and basically that's it. London Open is in about 35 minutes. We have Asia low, previous day low, and the 20k. I would say we have a few levels down there, but this is the tricky part, because now everybody wants to think that, okay, we should go down, right? But no, price just gonna do like the trick. It's gonna go up. Oops. It's gonna go up, sweep everybody, and then maybe send it down. This could be a tricky scenario here. It's gonna go all the way up and sweep those highs as well, and then send it lower. So just be careful. I saw that many times before. Karsten, good morning. What's up? NFP? We don't. Do you have NFP? We have NFP today. Oh, yeah. Yeah, NFP Friday. Totally forgot that. NFP. NFP day, everybody. I thought that they're gonna wait for next week to do the NFP. It seems like it's not. GeoPro, hey there. Good morning. I'm Lewis. Nice to meet you. I would like to know which indicator is the candlestick on a higher time frame. GeoPro, first of all, welcome to the channel. Good to see you here. Let's see. And sorry, Lewis. This indicator is called Power of 3. This is the only one that I have up here. If you search for it on TradingView, just type in Power of 3. You should find it as HTF Power of 3 from 2 degrees, and it has almost 10,000 users using this one. And if you click on it and add to it, the only settings that I use is basically I'm using the New York midnight level as the daily open. So I'm using this to display the daily chart, but you can use it for every time frame, weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour, whatever. I use it to display the daily chart so I can anticipate some moves. It's not a part of my entry model or anything. I just like to see it to measure how or where are we doing currently on the day, and how the daily candle looks like according to the New York open. So that's it. It's a free indicator. VIX bullish, we should go down. Could be, and as I said, we have some nice levels down there. Look at that, took me out, and then now just, you know, it's going. But let's see if we have a reaction there. NFP, baby. Quant Hour does not have it. Quant Hour, as far as I checked, Quant Hour does not have it. I'm sorry, Scar. I think it's not in Quant Hour. And I'm using the basic version of Quant Hour, with the advanced features only. So and I don't even have extra indicators. I mean, I have the basic indicators, but I don't think that Quantower has it. Oh, you're welcome, Luis. You're welcome. Thanks for being here on the channel. All right. Petrolina, hey, good morning. Whoa. Emarg, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Thanks for joining. You used to start too. Nowadays, nothing changed basically. It's because of the daylight saving time shift. You know, next week it's gonna change back because I usually aim for the London Open, or looking for liquidity 1 hour before the London Open. Now, United Kingdom and Europe switched from daylight saving time 1 hour back, which means the difference between East Coast time and European time changed from 6 hours to 5 hours. So that's why the difference. But this Sunday, I think the US is gonna change it 1 hour as well. So from next week, it's gonna go back to normal. That's the only reason. I did not want it to start 2 hours earlier than London Open because I think it's useless. There's not enough liquidity. 1 hour before London Open is more than enough. So why just sit here and watch paint dry? Like why? So that's the only reason. So in my time, it's actually I start normal. An email. Tom, you got an email for registration to join Discord channel. Can you check it? Yeah, sure. Sure. Let me check it. I got an email. You got an email for registration to join Discord channel. Can you? I don't have an email. When did this happen? Maybe I have a new subscriber and I didn't. It slipped through. Is somebody subscribed through Stripe? I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes it happens. You guys have to let me know if you don't receive the Discord invitation after purchasing the membership. Then sometime, because I do this manually. Hold on. No, that's not it. I don't have it. Yesterday. That was 31. I don't have it. Oh, maybe I have it. No. Oh, it's red. Jesus. Sorry. Oh my God, red. I totally forgot. Yeah. Yeah, I know now. I know. Thank you. I am sorry about this. I am just making it right. I'm sending it out. Red, I think I missed you there. Sorry. All right, I just sent it out. Sorry about that. I'm sorry. I apologize, Red. It was so yesterday we had the power outage after the stream, and then I just left home. And we had the road trip as well. So, and we got home like late night, and I wasn't even at my computer. I mean, I was late night, and I totally forgot to send you the email. I'm sorry. All right. So what is happening? I just sent it out. I hope you got it. Got it. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. The new Discord is coming into shape, but the free version is still has been put to the back burner, Sam. But it's coming. So I would respectfully would like to ask for a couple of days to figure out a system where how we can filter out some people, but not new basically. But the current Discord server would have one chat room accessible for free, just to chat with the paid members as well. So they told me, the guy who helps me out with this, is that there's a version that's to separate the same server for a free chat room and for the ones that are only members only. But still, there could be some chat made. Anyway, I don't know the details, but he's working on it. I just talked to him this week earlier that we should have this so people can interact, but the core members will have some extra. So yeah, we talk about that. Yeah, I just wanted to say that too. So all right, what is happening? What is happening? Yeah, it's $10, but if you still give me just a few days, not too much really, I'm gonna talk to the guy this weekend, and no promises really, but just to connect with everybody, we can have a free chat room. So you're not gonna be able to access the whole server, but there's gonna be a free room then where you can interact or chat. So just give me a couple of days. No. I mean, Sam, obviously it's up to you. But if you give me just a few days, Anyway, do what you feel, Sam. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm just saying because it's a small server, a small group of people, and it's not about the $10 that's gonna make a ton of money or anything. It was basically to filter out the bots, the trolls, the negative people, and all that such. And I wasn't able. I'm still not able to manage like 1,000 people. I saw some free servers that having 1,000 people, thousands of people, and obviously with that many users, there's always going to be some negativity there, like bots, trolls, maybe even scammers like we had, unfortunately. So it's inevitable. So that's why I wanted to filter down with the paid membership, but it's not because I'm gonna make a whole bunch of money on it. But Vivian, good morning. Subscribed? Oh, you subscribed. You did? Okay. Well, if you did, then I should be receiving the okay, nice. Anyway, I want to shave your back. No, I got saved, Marston. I got saved because the trade actually went to that level. And by the way, I never agreed to that personal guarantee, so Methodical Man outplayed me on that one. That would have been crazy if I just got back home and I realized I just have to shave my back for nothing. But actually I got saved and he confirmed it. But nevertheless, I got the joke, Methodical Man, and you know, I have an Easter egg for Methodical Man as well in my latest vlog. Check it out. Okay. All right. Okay. Happy Vivian. Sorry, if I forgot to say hello. Happy Friday, Vivian. Thanks for the comment on the video. Yeah, Methodical Pumpkin looks just like him. Although I don't know what you're talking about. No. I got saved and he confirmed it to me because Price actually got there. So I'm saved. He wrote that. He wrote, I'm saved, man. I'm saved. Oh, I got you. Okay. I got the email now, the subscription. Just a second. Okay. Let me get you the link. Where is it? Okay. I have it now. Okay. Sam Ellis just sent you the email. When reversed. Good morning. Love the vlog. My trip to Budapest. Oh, really? Rented the car and stopped at one of those outlet malls. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was. Yeah, we thought that we're just gonna hit the road and go, you know, visit some places, you know. Slowly grinding higher. It's not dropping yet. So not the best price action for now. I'm not shaving. I got saved. And he did that without my consent. So if he makes bets without my consent. Join Discord. Oh, you did. What? Okay. I haven't received your credentials yet, but if I will, you're gonna have the invite. So, Methodical Man is making bets without my consent. Going 5 minis. If you lose, you have to shave. No, I'm not gonna do that, man. I'm not gonna. By the way, I think this is gonna be a tricky move. I think that this is just gonna slowly take out everything here and then move down. Not sure. He has it in his yard as well. No, he's the fan of me. I live rent-free in his head. I live rent-free in his head, basically. So I had to respond. I had to respond in kindness. In kindness. Yeah, that obviously, you know, I had to put him there, you know, just to look up to him every morning when I make my coffee. You know, when I prepare my coffee, I just look up to him like, oh man, I want to be the best trader, just like him, and then I start the stream. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Order block at 88. Unfortunately, my printer went out of color ink, so it was just black and white that I could do. You wanna make competition? You mean mythical who makes no. I can't, because obviously I'm gonna be last, so I just can't do that. I can't compete. I can't. $15 rule. No, that you have an advantage, Ben, because you always go with 15 mini. You know. Maybe what I can do. No, I can't. You know, maybe on a Steam account or something like a demo account to demo trade it, paper trading or whatever here on TradingView. I don't know, but I don't think I can do it. But you know, a little bit of a competition. Well, it can never hurt. Here can never hurt. Yeah. Free fire. Yeah. It won't come. It's just messing up everybody. Oh. It's a free win for you. Zoltan, hey there. Bullwagon feeling? I have that feeling too. I have the feeling that this is just gonna slowly take out the 132 before dropping. And yeah, yes, I haven't checked on it yet. Marcin, the invitation just I just sent it, so you should be having it. All right. Do 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 do. All right, let's see what is happening. What is happening? You're in. Oh, great. Nice. Good to have you. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Watch mode for now. Okay. Weave up. Weave up, weave up. What do we have here? But I never witnessed those things, Tamash. I just sit here, you know, like Thanos in the chair. I don't do anything, and you guys are just printing money. Even though I'm running this stream, I don't witness anything. I can't. He says, then I should just join them. I can't leave the stream just like that. You know, I can't do that. I just cannot leave the stream just like that. I mean, no. I mean, will. I don't know. I just can't. I'm too much dedicated to the stream. All right. By the way, I just checked that Bulenox still hasn't updated the codes. So unfortunately, nobody's code is working currently on Bulenox. Every code is expired yesterday, and I'm guessing that they will only update it later in the New York session. So no codes yet for Bulenox. I mean, it's not working. If you pass 150k account and I give you a trade with 15 minutes and plays out, it will count. Well, you know, there's a saying, money talks, you know. Money talks, that's true. That's true, but yeah. Now, obviously, I understand. You guys are printing it. Dun, dun, dun. I think the promo is still going with ProfiTrade. I think it's still going with ProfiTrade. Let me check it. Yes, the promo is still active. The 90% off is still active on the cheapest evaluation, and 50% off on direct funded accounts. Dun, 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 dun. So does anybody know if the new Apex rules are already in effect, or are they going to be effective from the 5th of November, or what the hell? I have two accounts. I want to request payout, and I don't know what to request right now. $15-minute. Yeah, I mean there is, but I don't enter on the 15-minute time frame, but let's see. There was a structure shift here though, and we're heading back to a 15-minute gap here, if that's what you're saying. So, Trader Monk, you're good. Good morning. Venom, hey there. Good to see you, Venom. Lilzik, hey there. Until November 5th, you can request payout under the old rules. Are you sure about that? Is that written somewhere, or I'm not sure. Under the old rules. Is it somewhere out there on their website or newsletter or something? Because if that's true, I have two accounts. Let me show you. The rest of them are blown, but I'm gonna buy new ones. So these accounts, as you see, this one is up 3,244, and the other one is up 3,622. Now, if the old rules are still applied, then I can request $2,000 from this one, and also $2,000 from this one. But if the new rules taking place, then I can request $1,144 from this one and $1,522 from this one. So I just don't want to mess it up. Obviously, a little bit extra cash never hurts, but I built it up to $3,600. So let me know, because I have no idea, no confirmation. So Venom, we're doing good. Watching price action, waiting for London and equity open. What I would like to see currently is to this one to sweep the highs and then maybe go lower. I'd like to see the 20K. Look at all these levels down there. We have a new day opening gap, but we have Asia low, previous day low, and the 20,000 level down there. Very juicy, very, very, very juicy targets. But first it can sweep the highs. Cheapest, you're good. Nem tudom mit akar. Cheapest is asking, what does NQ want this morning? I have no idea. I think it wants a tricky move. Dominic, can you confirm that so I can take out 2K each by the old rules? I know you're more familiar with this because Dominic went through a lot of things with Apex. Request the maximum and they will adjust accordingly to ongoing rules. Max 2,000. So I can request $4,000 from these two accounts. Overall, that's a good money for me. I like that. $4,000. I'm gonna request it, man. Okay. No, but I'm not gonna request more. But I just wanted to confirm that again. I know I sound like an idiot, but and London Open is here in 10 seconds. So sorry about that, but obviously nothing major is gonna happen. So on this account, I have 3,244. Can I request $2,000 from this account? That's what I want to know. We have the London Open, by the way. Hello, FX and Trophy. So can I request still $2,000 by the old rules from this account? I just need to know. How do you mean? So they do not have to play with it, they just fast accept you. Okay. Going higher. All right. Dun, 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 dun. We'll see. Let's see what's happening. Alex, good morning. Bowser failed again? What? One loss, one win tonight. Can't be too mad at that, yeah. You know, that's actually all good, Andre. One loss, one win. It's all right. Look at that. It's gonna take the 132, 127 actually first. Might want to squeeze that level. I had surgery for my foot, and still doc said I can't work next week. Oh, dude, Venom. Time for trading, yeah. time for trading. I don't know. I think he's long, yeah. I think I would, if I would have to bet, I think he's absolutely, he's in a long position for sure. Yeah, I think so. I mean, that would make sense, right? But not sure. I mean, this would be the previous high. I don't know if the level is the same. Yeah, on the mini, it's the same level. But, you know, it could be a tricky one. So let's see if it wants to go anywhere higher or not. Or it's just going to trick everybody who's long and, you know, take the elevator all the way down. I have no position yet. I want to wait for reversal. Yeah, I heard about it, but I haven't dived too much into it. But yeah. So, can someone confirm that with Apex on this payout request, is it still available to request by the old rules? Or, because in one of their video, they said that the November one is going to be the last request, but they also said that the new rules are in effect. And I just don't know what to think anymore. I know some of you guys said that it's available, so until November 5th you can request payout under the old rules. Anyway, that would be interesting, to be honest. All right, so nothing special so far. It's not going to the 127 yet. Already took Asia high. Good morning, John D. Bob, what do you mean already took Asia high? I mean, there was an Asia high here, and I mean, if we can consider this one. Oh yeah, Zoltan, nice catch there. Only buys, he's saying. So we swept some levels, but I'm still a little bit confused. And we have a 5-minute gap here from earlier this morning. I don't know. I'm still not in a trade. That's a 5-minute gap. 5-minute BC. And we're still just waiting. If there's going to be any confirmation here. Nasdaq did not, right? Let me check ES again. Oh yeah, ES created a double top, but NQ didn't. Still doesn't mean anything. I think NQ should be taking the 27 and 132. I'm not going into a trade. I'm just gonna wait. But I feel like it still wants to squeeze. Everybody wanted to go short, including myself. Asia low, previous day low, and a 20K. I do love that level. But I'm gonna tell you, if it makes a displacement, I might jump in. If it changes the structure with the displacement, I might just gonna jump in and try to hold it at least for Asia low at 0.17. Dun, 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 dun. CL. Oh, look at that. It's pumping like there's no tomorrow. Crude oil is just going. I think it wants to close the gap at 71.57-ish area. Not sure. But it feels like it wants to. Okay, NQ trading back below the 5-minute BC. It's not a real structure shift that I like because it technically didn't break any structure, and the 5-minute BC is still holding. So this is not enough for me. One thing though, if this would trade above the previous candle, you know, that could be good for at least a nice 1-to-1 risk to reward trade. So I'm just gonna wait for, yeah, it seems like it's gonna go for it. There she go. Traded above. All right, jumping into a long. Nothing special. My TP is 2650, just a scalp. Just a scalp trade, nothing more. Where is it? Oh, come on. It's gonna take me out before I can show you. There it is. I'm trying to scalp it, but it's only like, how much? 70 bucks or 80. Nothing special. I thought that, you know, rejecting on this 5-minute CB is gonna push it to that 27 level, but obviously it doesn't seem like the case at this current moment. But it's gonna be a fast one, I think. It's gonna take me out real quick. Yeah. Nothing is going on. You'd wait for a meta retracement? Yeah. So, again, is the Apex payout system, is this current one, is the last by their old rules and the new rules are taking for payout request in effect on the 5th of November, or how's it going right now? I just want to make sure how much can I request. Can I still request by the old rules for the last time? Or the new rules are in effect already? Or what the heck? I don't know. Because many people said it's still, you can still request by the old rules, which means a maximum $2,000 for the safety threshold. I mean, anyway. Just go with old rules. Uh-oh. 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 I'm gonna get taken out here. To a first withdrawal request under new program. So what does that mean? That means it's a new payout rule from the 1st of November, right? So that means, and thank you NPM for clearing that. So that means that from today, the new rules are applied, so you cannot request more, if I understand it correctly. Yeah, but regarding the safety threshold, you know, I see that, Dominic. Thank you, thank you. You know, but regarding the safety threshold, so you cannot withdraw more than the safety threshold, basically. That's what I'm saying. So you cannot request. So for example, I have this account here, this one. It has 3,244. I cannot request more than $1,144 on this current account, right? I think I'm correct on this one. I cannot request more. So I need to leave at least $2,100 on the safety threshold. That's what I want to confirm. I think I'm correct on this one. Exactly. All right, there you go. So I cannot request $2,000, but I can request $1,144. All right, there you go. Confirmed. And on this account, I cannot request more than $1,522. Just to, you know, because you can request up to $500 from the safety threshold. So that means I cannot request 2,000. From 1 to 5, you in fact can take 500 from threshold. On 1520, you cannot touch threshold. Oh, I see. Oh, thank you. All right, so then I have to request. So then what I'm going to request is an additional. So I'm going to request 500 from the threshold, which means I can request 1,144 on this one, which is good. That's what I wanted to know. So Yeah, the fight is on here at the 100. Okay. Unfortunately, it's going under. It is what it is. Maybe I'm just gonna, clarify that with support, but I think I'm correct on this one. Do you have a prop account? Yeah, I have multiple prop firm accounts. Yes, print to leaf. That did that for us so we can continue trading and still losing 500 on account. Oh, I see. It's not going anywhere, man. Yeah, I agree. It's not going anywhere. I see. Yeah, NFP is gonna do some spikes all over the place, most likely. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what it does. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Maybe we're going down. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Dun, 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 dun. All right, quick message. I'm not in a sell. I'm not. I'm just still waiting for a displacement. We might see the 70s. We might. And again, there's some juicy targets down there. Simon, sorry. Simon, good to see you again. Yeah, this week was all right. Quite all right. It's going right. Yes, Sam. Yeah. All the money is at the 18 level and lower. All the way down there, right? Yeah, we have some, Asia lows and, previous day low. There's definitely, but again, it can just squeeze up and take out everybody. Yeah, waiting is difficult. I know how it is. I know how it is. Waiting could be difficult. All the money flowing into my account. Positive thoughts. That's a good thing. Hey, Sarah. What funded account would you recommend after passing Bulenox? What funded account after passing Bulenox? I mean, if you want to take on more funded accounts after Bulenox, I mean, if you're asking what other prop firm, then, in regarding to, like with Bulenox, if you want to go with the cheaper upfront cost, then maybe Apex should be all right. So nothing bad about them. So I would go with Apex and, ProfiTrade is still cheap, but it depending on, my favorite would be MyFundedFutures and Take Profit. So it's up to you. Obviously, those are a little bit more expensive. PDS is cheap as well. All right. You're welcome, sir. You are most welcome. Anyway, just gonna wait here and All right. $90 of Nox, Bulenox, 90 of Bulenox. That's what your lifetime activation. It's 148 for the 50k lifetime activation, if that's what you're asking. For minimum rules and freedom of trading Top Step. Yeah, a lot of freedom with Top Step. I agree. Best DJ in town. I don't know how you guys still trading with props that have intraday trailing. I mean, FX entropy, it's simple. It locks in after, you know, after that amount. You know, after the safety threshold, it locks in. So what is going on? Man, we're stuck here at this level. Beanie player, hi there. It locks until you pass and until you get above the buffer. That will kill you. Yeah. Well, I understand FX and Trophy that's a scam, but that's a business model, you know. That's something you have to go with, and that's why, you know, this safety threshold is basically a phase 2 evaluation, but it is what it is. Still, you know, the best way is to build it up as much as it's possible. I'm not holding anything, by the way. I'm not in a sell or buy. I still feel like we can squeeze up there, 132. Yeah, there are. That's why, you know, the numbers are different on end of day and intraday, I guess. So if you want to go with the quote-unquote harder rules, then you get a cheaper account. If you want easier rules, you get the end of day trading account. But yeah, that's why you have to go small. That's why I always trade small steps, you know, small steps. Always small steps. Look at that. Now the squeeze could be happening. The squeeze could be happening now. Almost 3 times. Yeah, exactly. So anyway, it's a business, guys. It's the prop firms basically give you leverage to trade. You buy what the product that you actually receive in exchange for your money is leverage. That's it. You receive buying power. That's what you receive with the funded account. That's it. And obviously, you have to do your best to push it above the threshold, and then it would be easier. But yeah, and they can, but you can, conservative trader can go with a trailing. Yeah, so if you're a conservative trader, like a turtle trader like me, then you should still be okay with intraday. But again, it's different for everybody. Different risk factors, different risk management. Everything is different. I got all, and there was so conservative. A lot of conservative traders, yes. Here, FX and Trophy, everybody's conservative here. I am. Well, I try to, but you know, sometimes I lose my meds, as they say, and I just go crazy. But I should stop that behavior. Yeah, exactly, FX. I'm conservative on stream, but off stream, I go absolutely nuts. You know, as Maverick says in Top Gun, don't think, just do. I'm like, don't think, just do. If you see it, just boom, full port. But only upstream. Anyway, I was just reading. Just do. I can hear the bang from a movie. Give us a signal, a buy or sell. I have nothing here. Look at this, where we are right now. We're at the middle of nowhere. Look at this. Nothing. Oops. Doesn't make sense. Like, how many times you gonna evaluate me? Yeah. Price really messing with. Yeah, right now price is absolutely messing up traders, and you know, we still have time from the kill zone, and we should see some move in about 5 minutes if the macro starts to kick in. But yeah, a few, yeah. With evaluation you can mess, but that's what they want. You know, if you mess around with the evaluation account, that is actually building up bad habits. And with that, you know, building up bad habits is it's not always the best thing. Hey Sirek, welcome. Yeah, thank you is fumbling. Stuck in that 5-minute BC now. And I just, you know, from here, it's absolutely, again, a coin flip. Bad habits are things which you're evaluated at. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Give the stream a like, guys. Yes, thank you. Let's just wait. See what happens. Where is this gonna go? I'm gonna open the window. There's no air here. Need fresh oxygen. There, it's better. If you pass an evaluation of Apex, do you still have to pay? No, you don't. You don't have to. Only the one-time activation fee and you're done. Exactly. Exactly. But yeah, you can pay monthly activation fee for bigger accounts, I would say. So it's good. But for now, they still have the $85 lifetime, I guess. At least I hope. Oh man, this price action is terrible. Absolutely terrible. And I have nothing, no trade. Long grind up into equilibrium since yesterday drop. Let's see. Yeah, hashtag patience. I agree. There's no sense to not pay a single time bigger, so you are not under pressure of needing to withdraw to pay for it. Yeah. Yeah, crazy price action. It's easier to build PA account with single payment. That's true. That's true. Single payment, you know, puts the pressure off. You don't have to worry about payments for the next month, and you can just focus on the account. Absolutely. It's Warzone time. Kind of want to go back to sleep. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, oh, it's 3:50 a.m. Well, you know, since we're approaching 5 a.m. Eastern Standard, and we should be having the macro right now, but nothing's really happening. I don't know what to do. I don't know, expect some energy in one way, yeah. Fresh Delgado, money to be made, exactly. Let me read something. Anyway. Yeah, exactly. I agree with Sam. More trouble if you want to go through. Yeah. Good morning, Peter. Good to see you. The whole documentation, yeah. Oh, 450. Yeah, that's still, looks like the price section is just garbage right now. Take out your rectangle with BC. This will keep me long. Oh, I see. Really? You want me to take this out? All right, I took it out for you. Do you know how long you have to activate a PA on ProfiTrade? I'm not sure how long, because the evaluation accounts are, one-time fee only. I would suggest that you have time as much as you want. You can ask support. I think they will answer your email, but I mean, surely they will answer it. But I think as for now, because there's no rule about it, I checked on the website, and I would say you have all the time in the world to activate it, as much as you want. It's there. There's no special rule about how much time you have. So I would say take your time, but just send them an email and they will confirm it back to you. But I think you have all the time. And I'm up all night trading. I see charts in my trades. Oh, really? So I'm going through it right now as I have. See if I listening. Oh, because it's helpful. Thank you, but no need for your insults. Oh, come on. But yeah, I mean, there's definitely some rules. Now it's gonna dump. We'll see. Goldman's interns are watching. Yeah, sure, they do. Sell Naz, put the horse on. No, I'm not gonna do anything right now. I mean, let me check the 5-minute. No, I don't like it. I just don't like it. I'm not trusting this price action for now. Oh, waiting for them. They should be responding in 1 or 2 business days usually. So Discord is coming too, but they also have a Telegram. Usually they respond there as well. I mean, usually they respond to my emails in a day. Yeah, Dominic is cool. Let's see what's going on. What's going on? Bulenox were fast with contracts. I guess that's because they want. Yeah, I mean, obviously they want activation fees. Yeah, usually Bulenox sends you the activation link in about 1 or 2 business days. Sometimes on the same business days, but 1 or 2 days usually. Bulenox is a fast responding company, even in payout. Yeah, I mean they answer. Again, Bulenox has always answered to me within 24 hours. I can say that safely. Like if you have a support ticket, they usually taking care of it in the same day, New York or Eastern Time business hours. So no issue with that. Guys, this price action is awful. This is so awful. It's just painful, again, to watch. I really thought that we're gonna have something here, but if I would have to bet, I'd say we're going up there for a squeeze and then go down. But for now, I just have nothing that interests me here. I like to see a squeeze, you know, way up there and then maybe dump it, but we have NFP, so that makes things a little bit rough, or could. Maybe they're gonna let this area to be taken after NFP. So Kuko, good morning. Anyway, I don't like this. It's just it's going up. Yeah, NFP day, guys, so be careful. NFP day can be very, very tricky. Yeah. See you later, Holy Grail. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining the session. Well, guys, honestly, I just don't want to take a trade here. Even if it goes up or down, I just don't like it. I don't want to force anything. So it's gonna be a short one again. I'm gonna call it here. It's painful to watch. It's a trash, absolutely. Pablo, good morning. Do you have an option on Elite Trader funding? I have two. They're good. I'm also trading on evaluation accounts with them. So yeah, they're good. And I'm gonna be talking more about Elite Traders funding for sure. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Thank you so much for watching. The end was a little bit slow the last hour. It was absolutely garbage. I mean the price action. And thank you again for being here. I don't know if I'll be back for New York session. Today we have a family day. I wasn't even sure if I'll be streaming this London session. So I don't know. It's a 50-50%. Okay. Thank you, everybody. If you would like to support, please use my codes. Bulenox should be updating in the New York session hours. Okay. So no Bulenox code is active. They are expired, but should be updating as well. And the rest is good too. Thank you again. Stay safe. And God bless you all. All right. See you when I see you. Cheers.